Hello friends, today we will see our 6th standard civics first chapter, our life in society, and we are going to see the exercise of this lesson. I have written these question answers or exercise on my paper and I will show you answers and I will explain you answers. Question 1, fill in the blanks. Question 1 is fill in the blanks. Man felt the need for dash for day-to-day affairs of society. Man felt need for rules. Answer is rules for day-to-day affairs of society. So because of rules, our social life run easily and we don't get any obstacles while living in society. Question number 2 is Dash help the development of people's talent. Society helps the development of people's talent. People show their talent or grow their talent or develop their talent in society. Without society, it is not possible to develop our talent. We all have some emotional and some dash needs. We all have some emotional and some psychological needs. We all have some emotional and some psychological needs. Question 2. Question 2 is answer in one sentence. Which are our basic needs? Means the needs that we cannot live without them. Asha needs which we cannot live without them. Our basic needs are food, clothes, shelter means our home, education and health. These are our basic needs. Without these needs we cannot live, so they are called basic needs. Whose company do we like? We like the companionship of our family members, our relatives and our friends. We like the companionship or the company of our family members, means our mother, father, grandfather, cousins, relatives and friends. And the question number 3 is what opportunities does society provide us with? Society provides the opportunity for expressing our thoughts and feelings. We can express our thoughts and feelings in society, and this opportunity or this chance is provided by society to us. Question number 3. What do you think? Answer in 2 or 3 sentences. And the question number 1 is how is a society formed? Means how is a society created? A society is formed when people come together to achieve certain common objectives. A society is formed when people come together. Not a single man forms society. Many people come together to achieve certain common objectives, then society is formed. Society includes all people, men, women, grown-ups, old people, young children, all people with common objectives. With common objectives, they come together to achieve common objectives. In society, there are young children, old people, men, women, everything, students, teacher, all professions, people from all professions include. Our families are the part of society. Question number 2. Why is it necessary to set up a permanent system in society? And the answer is a system is essential for the continued existence of the society. Continued existence of the society, system is necessary. The existence of system makes a society stable. Without system, society cannot stable. So it provide or fulfill needs like food, clothing, shelter and security. Therefore, it is necessary to set up a permanent system in society. In society, our basic needs are fulfilled. So it is necessary to set up a permanent system in society. Then question number 3. What makes life in society more stable and organized? There are many systems in the society to meet the needs of the people. For example, there is a bank to meet the need of loan. People take loan from the bank. Grocery stores are system to meet a need of food or food grains. We get food grains in the grocery stores. There are schools to educate children. There are hospitals to treat sick people or ill people. Many such systems are stabilizing and organizing the society. This makes the life in society more stable and organized because of these systems. And the question number 4 is, now we are going to see, and that is the last question of this exercise. The question is, if there were no social institutions, what difficulties would we have faced? Without social institutions, what will happen? If social institution did not exist, we would have to struggle a lot to meet basic needs like food, clothing and shelter. Our artistry means our art, our talent would not develop if social institutions did not exist. The day-to-day affairs of the society would not have been complete. There would have been no stability in society and the society would not have been organized. So, social institutions are necessary in our society. Thank you.